Direct replacement. This differential pinion shaft lock bolt matches the fit and function of the factory part on specified years, makes and models. Ideal solution. This bolt is a reliable replacement for an original part that is missing or has failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This differential pinion shaft lock bolt is designed to match the fit and function of the original part on specified vehicles. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. Glad it's available, even if it is a Dorman part. This is the specialty bolt used to keep the crosspin in place inside your GM10 bolt differential. The shank of this bolt has a tendency to chafe. I consider it preventative maintenance to replace it or at least inspect it to see if it needs replaced every say 100k miles. Dorman is not by any means the staple for quality parts, but for the price, I consider it acceptable.